Hello everyone, welcome to Carnatic Beats. Today's video is not any dance cover, okay? Today's video is a little bit special video because it is the first ever video where I'm speaking. Today is 15th August, 77th Independence Day of India. I woke up listening to "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo", which is obviously a patriotic song, and it goes like "ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगो ज़रा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनके ज़रा याद करो कुर्बानी." It means shed a few tears for those who martyred on ice, remember their great sacrifice. Such a sweet hypocritic society of ours. Sure, we will remember the thousands and lakhs of martyrs who have sacrificed their lives. But will our society remember the thousands and lakhs of women who are assaulted and murdered each day in our country? From 2012 to 2024, nothing has changed despite the loud assertions of Nari Shakti. Men and women contribute 50-50 in the population. Will you be able to develop the country leaving behind the rest 50%? No, right? Yes, women are not safe in the workplaces. But don't you think that workplace is a far-fetched idea? Are women safe even in their homes? It is a matter to ponder. No, women are not safe even in their homes. So, now stop raising slogans about Independence Day. What can be the possible solutions to this? Changing the laws? I don't think so. Because who cares? Who cares about the laws? Is rape legal in India? No, right? But still, thousands and thousands of rape cases are reported each day, and God knows how many cases go unreported. Then what can be the possible solution to this never-ending problem? Well, what I think is change should be brought at each and every household because charity begins at home. If you are raising a male child, you have a lot of responsibilities. You, as a parent, have to ensure that your child does not turn into a rapist tomorrow. You have to impart good values into the child. You have to hit the iron when it is red hot. Often it happens that the parents fight in front of the child, and even in some cases the father abuses the mother in front of the child, and they think that ye kya samjhega, bachcha hi to hai. Yes, it's true, he is a child, he may not understand everything, but somewhere in the subconscious mind of the child it gets recorded, and tomorrow when he grows up to be a matured person and he gets married, he will treat his wife in the same manner. So instead of complaining and raising slogans, I request all the parents to raise their children, especially the male children, with utmost care, with utmost responsibility, because the future of the country is in your hands. You have to ensure that the child does not turn into a rapist tomorrow. He should be a human being, a very good human being who knows how to respect women. And subsequently, I think women should also learn how to respect men. It's not like that only men will respect women. It should be both-sided. So this was basically it was not a very planned video. It is an unfiltered and unscripted video. I had no plans that I'll make some video on Independence Day. Yes, I had plans that I will compose a dance or something like that, but due to my busy schedule, I didn't get time to compose any dance video. So I woke up today and I saw the social media is flooding with Independence Day messages, Independence Day posts and everything. So I felt that it is very hypocritic. The entire country is burning and the Prime Minister is giving his Independence Day speech at the Red Fort. Like, such a sweet hypocritic country of ours. How can you think that India will be developed by 2047, and India is also making its bid for 2036 Summer Olympics if the security of the country is in this level. Today our country got freedom from the 200-year long British administration, but sadly the women in the country are not free. Today the Kolkata RG Kar Medical College incident came to the forefront, but God knows how many such cases, such heinous crimes go unreported, right? The entire country is burning in this issue, but many suffer silently. So it's high time that we identify what is the root of this problem, root cause of this problem. Root cause of this problem is in the upbringing of the children. This generation is gone. I hope the next generation will be much better, and if we bring change within ourselves, because before pointing out to someone else, you look at yourself at the mirror. Do you really follow whatever you are telling to others? If yes, then it's very good. If no, then try to bring that change within yourself. Then only this thing can be solved. So this was all for today. Happy Independence Day to all the men out there, because what I feel is that we women are not yet liberated. The day when women will be liberated, that day will be a real Independence Day. So let's hope for the best, and let's strive to make this country more egalitarian and more just. So thank you very much for a patient listening, and if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. I post dance videos. I am not that regular because I have a lot of work to do. I will try to be regular, and thank you so much. Jai Hind.